Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin.
Kinalikot. Kinalikot yung tenga ko.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're beautiful, flawless, ooh, you're sexy, lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Whoa,
Thank you sa lahat. Ayoko na, naiyak na ako.
oh girl, I'm gonna show you when you
Hi, B. See you later. I love you.
are treasure. That is what you are. Honey, you're my
Sipo na ito. Thank you. See you later. Baby, love you.
Yay!
Naiyak ako, kuya.
Tahimik lang, sir, eh. Wala po siyang kibo. Kahit galit, kahit hindi galit, wala. Pareho lang po, eh.
Tahimik na tao ulit talaga ako.
That is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. I think you can make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Chester, you may now kiss your wife.
Sobrang blessed po kasi simula nung nagka-baby kami, mas nakilala ko siya, mas inalagaan niya kami, mas nakita ko po yung kabaitan niya, yung pag-aalaga niya po sa akin.
Ayoko umiyak eh. Naiiyak na ako. Ano ba gagawin?
Mamaya pa lang po kami mag-away, pagbilangan na po. Magmahalan lang kayo, magsama ng ayos kasama si Conan. Basta nandito lang kami para sa inyo.
Sana maging masaya kayo sa binubuo ninyong pamilya ngayon. Sana habang buhay kayong masaya.
Conan Sage, ikaw ay binibinyagan ko sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Chester at Shyla, dumating na tayo sa araw ng inyong pinag-isipan, pinagplanuhan, at inyong pinagdasalan. Sana'y masaya kayo. Kahit maulan, gloomy man ang panahon, nakakalungkot, nakakaantok, ang Diyos natutuwa sapagkat nagdesisyon kayo na magmahalan.
Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance?
Hello, B. Alam kong alam mo kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan natin bago tayo mapunta sa sitwasyon na to. Akala ko dati mahirap buhay may asawa. Hindi pala basta nasa tamang tao ka.
Through time, I have proven that you are the one for me. My love for you will never change. I will return your love with all my heart. And through thick and thin, I will be with you.
You will be, so too shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here.
Kayo sa hapong ito ay ikinakasal at nangangako sa harap ng Panginoon ng panghabang buhay na pagmamahalan.
Lagi nang huwag kakalimutan tumawag sa Panginoon. kung ano man ang problema sa buhay.
At huwag mo kalilimutan, si Lord ang number 1 sa atin. Mahalin mo si Tay, si Baby.
But the most stupid things, like we were so high, but love was all that we were on. We belong.
My dream is to spend my life with you and to our baby Conan and to our future son and daughter. Together, we will face challenges and pursue our dream.
Marami mong pagsubok ang dumating pa. Alam kong kaya nating lagpasan yon. Walang iwanan. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Baby Conan at nandito lang ako para sa inyong dalawa.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sea.
Chester at Shyla, ang pagmamahalang ipinapangako sa hapong ito, panghabang buhay. Love each other till death do you part.
Save your eyes from your tears when everything's unclear. You'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Wounded high when the light.
My baby, you are my yesterday, today, and forever. I love you.
This world's insincere. You'll be safe here when nobody hears you scream. I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here in my arms through the long cold night. Sleep tight. You'll be safe here when no one understands. I'll believe you'll be safe. You'll be safe here. You'll be safe. Put your heart in my hands. You'll be